Hey there, this is Ramandeep Kaur. Today I am going to teach you how to solve a reading passage. So let's get started. First of all, I'll highlight the requirements. I need to solve questions 27 to 40, 13 questions within 20 minutes. And yes, the headline I need to read is Reducing the Effects of Climate Change. Mark Rowe reports on the increasingly ambitious geoengineering projects being explored by scientists. So before starting any passage, I always say to read all the questions first. So I'll read the questions. 27 to 29 questions are given, and I need to write letters E to H because I need to complete that which paragraph contains the following information. So which paragraph contains information. So mention of a geoengineering project. One project is mentioned based on the earlier natural phenomena. Natural phenomena means any natural activity, any climatic change. An example. So example is my keyword. An example of a successful use of geoengineering. So yes, an example of successful use. A common definition of geoengineering. So here my keywords are common definition. Next, I need to write one word only, and I have to fill the blanks. 30 to 36 questions. Geoengineering projects, procedure and aim. Wherever projects, procedure and aim is given, I just read them. Put a large number of tiny spacecraft into orbit far above the Earth. So what they have done is they have put a large number of tiny spacecraft into orbit, and that is far above the Earth to create Earth. So there are two keywords. First is to create Earth. They want to create one disk that would reduce the amount of light reaching Earth. Okay. So here my keyword was reduce light. Place this in the sea. So they are going to place, they are going to put something in the sea. So in sea, place are my keyword to encourage. They want to encourage something to they want to encourage this thing to form. Release aerosol sprays into the stratosphere. So they are going to release sprays into the stratosphere. I'll get the keyword same. Same way given to create, they want to create this that would reduce the amount of light reaching Earth. Again, it would create something and light would reduce to reach Earth. Fix strong. Strong is a an adjective, a keyword given to us. So we are going to fix a strong this to green Iceland shoes. Okay. Strong is the adjective I need to put down here to prevent icebergs moving into sea. So they want to prevent icebergs from moving into the sea. Plant trees in the Arctic. So they are going to plant certain Russian Arctic, that would lose their leaves in winter. Okay, so they would lose leaves in winter to allow the disk to reflect radiation. They are going to allow this thing so that it can reflect radiation. Change the direction of. They are going to change direction of this thing to bring more cold water into Icelandic areas. Okay, so now this is the matching question. I need to match one column with the other. Means there are certain statements given and who gave this statement. There is nothing mentioned that any statement is repeated or something. It means there are four questions, four options. If I have located three answers right way, fourth I can guess because it's four questions, four scientists